Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Allie? Teacher Sara? Where did everyone go? What was that? I think something is following me.
Welcome to the zoo, everyone! Stay with your partner!
You're my partner, Emma. We won't get lost. I want to see the lions first.
Zoo map downloaded. Chance of getting lost? Only 2%.
These bracelets remind us to stay together and help each other
Partners forever. Partners forever.
What color are the flamingos?
Pink!
Look! I am a beautiful robot flamingo.
You look more like a broken umbrella.
My dignity has been damaged.
The monkey is climbing the tree. Hey! This banana is my lunch. Max, I think he wants to be your friend. My cap, please come back. I'll help him. I'll be right back. Here you are. Is this your red cap? Yes, but I can't find my mother. Are we both lost? Oh no, I can't see my friends either. We are separated, but we are not alone. My name is Emma. What is your name? I'm Leo. Don't worry, Leo. We'll find everyone.
1, 2, 3. Wait! Where is Emma?
She was just behind me. She wouldn't leave this on purpose.
Nobody panic. Stay together while we ask for help.
What if Emma is scared?
She helped me when I was scared. Now we'll help her. Excuse me, one of my students is missing. Code 1, missing child reported near elephants. All available units, please respond. What is her name, age, and clothing? Missing child alert. Her name is Emma. Check all family areas. Searching for Emma's footprints.
I found footprints. Robo, Emma doesn't have webbed feet.
Updating human footprint software.
may have followed someone this way. Which way should we go? We need to read the sign carefully. Left means this way. Right means that way. And straight means we keep going forward. Great job! The information center is straight ahead.
We can't go through!
We should politely ask for directions. Go straight, turn left, and walk past the giraffes.
Straight, left, then past the giraffes. Thank you! You spoke clearly. I'm scared too, but speaking helps us solve problems. The giraffes are tall. That one is short, and the adult is tall. Its neck is very long. Yes! Long is the opposite of short. I can't read the word.
It says information. We are going the right way.
Everyone, please stand behind the yellow line.
Behind means on the other side of something.
Did anyone see a girl with a yellow backpack?
She was helping a little boy with a red cap.
That sounds like Emma. She always helps people. She isn't alone. A smaller child is with her.
The cap came from the zoo gift shop. The gift shop is beside the information center.
Then Emma may be going there.
Walk, don't run. Safety comes first.
Walk, don't run. I remember.
My wheels did not remember.
This came from Emma's bracelet. This came from Emma's bracelet. She came this way. I know it. Emma, please be safe. We made it! Closed? What do we do now? It says staff moved to the main entrance.
The entrance is far away.
First, we stay calm. Then we make a new plan. Look! We can call for help.
Press 1 for information. Press 2 for emergencies.
We are lost children. This is an emergency. I press 2. Connection failed. Please try again. It's gonna rain. The nearest safe place is the reptile house. Reptiles? I'm afraid of snakes. Being brave doesn't mean having no fear.
Being brave means moving carefully, even when you're afraid.
It's dark inside. The green sign shows us a safe direction. Is it dangerous? It is behind glass. We are safe if we follow the rules. Do not touch the glass. Do not feed the animals. Something is following us. Stay behind me, Leo. It's only a tortoise. It is slow, quiet, and very curious.
There you are. That tortoise escaped from its play area.
We are lost. Can you help us?
Yes, I can help you. My radio battery is dead.
Emma, I can't see. Hold my hand. We'll stay together.
Signal detected from Emma's friendship bracelet.
Where is she?
We found Leo's mother at the main entrance.
Acknowledged. Thank you.
Leo? Emma didn't get lost by accident.
She left the group because she was helping another lost child.
Emma could have found us sooner, but she wouldn't leave him alone. Emma! Can you hear me? Ali? Is that you? Yes. Follow my voice toward the emergency exit.
The emergency exit is straight ahead, then right.
Straight ahead, then right. Stay close. Which door is the exit?
That symbol means emergency exit. Choose the green door.
Emma! Emma!
Thank you for staying with my son.
He was scared. I couldn't leave him alone.
Emma used courage, kindness, and clear English.
You also remembered our promise. Partners help each other, even when they are afraid.
Today's lesson: stay calm, ask for help, and never follow ducks.
Nobody followed a duck, Robo. Excellent! The lesson is already working.
Emma was lost, but her kindness helped 2 children find their way home.
Stay together, speak clearly, and always help others.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.